Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Weekelt, and we're going to talk about coping skills. What you do when you feel upset and dysregulated. It's no fun to have uncomfortable feelings like angry or scared or sad. Nobody likes to feel dysregulated, like out of control. Sometimes when we're upset, we do things that can make a problem worse, like throwing something or hurting someone or crying and yelling or just choosing to not do our work. Like with Kenley, she looked at the problem on her math worksheet, which looked super hard, and she went under her desk. How do you think Kenley was feeling? Look at how she's sitting. Do you think she was feeling happy or upset? What was she thinking? Why did going under her desk make things worse for Kenley? Do you think if she would have tried the math problem or maybe asked for help, that would have been a good choice instead of sitting under her desk and hiding? And with Justin, someone called Justin a mean name, and then he became dysregulated and started yelling and pushing. His body felt like it was out of control. How do you think Justin was feeling? Look at Justin. Looks like he has steam coming out of his ears and his face is red and his hands are in fists. Do you think he's feeling angry or frustrated? What was he thinking? And how did yelling and being mean make things worse for Justin? Maybe if he did a coping skill to calm down, he would have walked away. But instead, he decided to hit people or be mean, and maybe he got in trouble. And with Alex, he got upset when his teacher told him to stop playing and start working, and he ran out of the classroom. How do you think Alex was feeling? What was Alex thinking? And why did running out of the classroom make things worse for Alex? Do you think that was a safe choice for Alex or unsafe? When we're upset and dysregulated or feeling out of control, it's like our thinking brains can't do as good of a job. Has this ever happened to you before? Have you ever gotten so upset and dysregulated that your thinking brain didn't work and you did something not so good? Maybe you made a bad choice and got in trouble. That's why we need to use coping skills. Remember, coping skills are the things we do to take care of our feelings and help us feel better and make our bodies feel calm and alert and ready. These are examples of some good coping skills that we can try, like writing or drawing a picture. Maybe you want to give someone you love or trust a hug, read a book, do some yoga or stretches, go for a walk, take a deep breath, listen to music, play with blocks or a toy that you like. Maybe you want to think about people or places or things that make you feel happy. You can play with a stress ball or squeeze a stress ball or a fidget. Take a drink of water, do jumping jacks, wall pushes. Maybe you want to count to 10 or count down to 10 from 10. Imagine you are Kenley and you got a math worksheet you think is super hard. Which coping skill would you use to make your body feel calm and ready to learn? Maybe you want to go for a walk or give yourself a hug. Maybe you want to take a deep breath or think about something that makes you feel happy. Which coping skill would you try if you were Kenley? Or imagine you are Justin and someone just called you a mean name. What coping skill would you use? Would you use one of the 4 on the screen, like going for a walk or give yourself a hug, take a deep breath, or think about something happy? Or would you try something different, like doing jumping jacks or listening to music or reading a book? And imagine you are Alex and your teacher said to stop playing and get to work. What would you do? Which coping skill would you use? Make sure you click on the next screen and continue your work in Seesaw.